Natale. Well, I'm ready to go because I'm on delivery service this afternoon. I'm delivering my Italian Christmas food baskets that I make for my neighbors, my family, and my friends. I wanted to explain to you a little bit what I put into my baskets, and then everybody can make their own with your own specialties. You know, it's such a wonderful gift to get homemade food for those we love. It shows them how much we love them. So let's start with my basket. I have here, of course, a jar of my classic red sauce that I've made with San Marzano tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil. It goes beautifully with a pound of lovely imported Italian pasta. But you know, maybe one night your family or friends want to make pizza, so they have tomato sauce for that too. Then I've made my Nonna from Sicily, her famous recipe for caponata, eggplant appetizer. Basically, this is a whole meal in a basket. All you have to add is a bottle of wine, maybe some crackers. So this can be a lovely appetizer with some toasted bread or crackers. And then I have another appetizer here. Lisa's famous roasted peppers. I'm known for these. Again, the recipe of my grandmother, my Nonna from Sicily. All of these recipes are in my cookbooks. And this is a lovely, delicious, on a piece of Italian bread. It's also delicious in the morning with eggs, scrambled or fried eggs. And then I have another appetizer, my goat cheese pate. What I do is I take goat cheese and I mix it with herbs, a little cream, and then I layer it with green pesto and red pesto. This is equally delicious with mascarpone cheese. Again, recipe in my cookbook. Of course, what would Christmas morning be without a panettone? I just love these cute little individual panettone. They fit beautifully in the basket, and it's perfect for one or two people. And then I top it all off with a box of my delicious homemade Italian Christmas cookies. Let me just show you the different Christmas cookies I make. This is just a few of the cookies I make at Christmas. We'll start with my Nonna's famous cuccidata from the island of Sicily. These are our traditional fig cookies for Christmas. They have 7 dried fruits in them, which I combine and chop in my food processor and then make a delicious homemade buttery dough. We also have the Italian handkerchiefs. These I've filled with apricot jam. You can fill them with any jam of your choice. And let's not forget my chocolate thumbprint cookies with the red and green maraschino cherries for Christmas. My Italian snowballs, as we call them, with pecans to give that delicious buttery taste. And of course, my favorite cookie for Christmas, the pignoli or the pine nut. It's got delicious ground fennel seed. So it's kind of a little bit of a savory cookie in the dough and then the pine nuts on top. So this is a lovely dessert. Basically, I'm giving my neighbors, my family, and my friends appetizers, a tomato sauce with a pasta for an entree, and dessert. So they're all ready to go on a lovely evening during the Christmas holiday. Don't you wish you were my neighbor? Buon appetito to all of you, and most of all, Buon Natale and Buon Anno.